Hi everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the best string trimmer attachments you can find on the market. The Ryobi Expanded Straight Shaft Trimmer Attachment RYSST44. This tool is designed to make your yard maintenance a breeze, offering versatility and efficiency like no other. Let's start with what makes the Ryobi RYSST44 stand out. It's compatible with various Ryobi power heads, offering a seamless fit and easy installation. This attachment allows you to tackle trimming and edging with precision, thanks to its straight shaft design. The attachment is lightweight, weighing just 3.44 pounds, which reduces fatigue during extended use. It's powered by Ryobi's battery systems, ensuring cordless convenience without compromising on power. Users rave about how easy it is to operate. With a high rating for ease of use, the RYSST44 is perfect for both beginners and seasoned gardeners alike. Its ergonomic design ensures comfort while trimming, whether you're maintaining edges or reaching tight spots. The 18-inch cutting width ensures efficiency, covering more ground in less time. This makes it ideal for larger yards or properties where efficiency is key. Ryobi doesn't compromise on build quality. The RYSST44 is not only sturdy but also designed to last. It's crafted from durable materials, ensuring longevity even with frequent use. The product undergoes rigorous refurbishing processes to meet high standards, guaranteeing reliability straight out of the box. When compared to similar attachments, the RYSST44 stands out due to its combination of performance, durability, and affordability. While there are other options on the market, few can match the overall package Ryobi offers with this attachment. In conclusion, if you're looking for a reliable and versatile string trimmer attachment, the Ryobi Expanded Straight Shaft Trimmer Attachment RYSST44 is a top contender. From its ergonomic design to its powerful performance, it ticks all the boxes for those seeking efficiency and ease of use in their yard maintenance tools. That wraps up our review of the Ryobi RYSST44. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more product reviews and recommendations here on Product Critique. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.